Hey guys, my name is Sof. Welcome to my channel. Google is famous for its collaboration and productivity apps, and today we are going to discuss the most essential apps and maybe find better alternatives for them. So let's begin. The first app that I would like to discuss is Chrome browser. It is fast, simple and secure. It is considered one of the fastest browsers available in the market. But if you are using an old computer, Chrome browser may not be the best option for you because it takes a lot of RAM and it may slow down your computer. So you can use other browsers like Firefox, Opera, Brave and other browsers depending on your preferences. Google is best for its extensions as well. It offers a lot of good tools and features that you can add to your Chrome browser and increase the productivity of your browser. Google extension store is so big that even other browsers create extensions to be able to integrate Chrome browser extensions, which is kind of strange, but this is very good thing they do because a lot of users tend to use Chrome extensions. Next is YouTube. I don't think there is much to say about YouTube because everyone uses YouTube. Almost everyone is using YouTube. There is no any alternative available in the market. You can do almost everything on YouTube, starting from watching different stuff to finding tutorials and studying and learning new interesting skills and stuff. The next step we are going to talk is Google messaging apps. Google has like tens of messaging apps in the market. For example, Google Hangouts, Google Meet, Google Voice, Google Allo and other apps as well that I cannot even remember the names. It seems that Google is struggling to make one app that will include all the useful and necessary features for messaging app. There are also rumors that Google is working on another messaging app that is going to have all the useful and necessary features and is going to replace all these apps available in the market. There are a lot of messaging apps available in the market, including Messenger and WhatsApp, and also iMessage, which is only available on Apple smartphones. These are the most widely used messaging apps in the market, but I can suggest you checking out the Telegram messaging app as well. It's really good. This is my personal favorite. It offers a lot of good emojis. Also, it has channels that you can follow and find very interesting and different content about your preferences and your tastes. Next step that I'm going to discuss with you is Google Duo. It is Android version of Apple's FaceTime. It offers high quality video calling services. I'm using it and I am very happy so far. If you are still looking for the best video calling option, you may consider Google Duo as well. Next step is Google Photos. Google Photos allows you to upload all your videos and photos to your Google account. It offers unlimited storage for your photos and videos, and this is one of the advantages that Google Photos have. There are other options available in the market, for example, Yandex Photos maybe. Also there is Dropbox and OneDrive that you can use to upload your images, but none of them offers the same features as Google does. For example, OneDrive and Dropbox, they do not have a standalone app as Google Photos does. They also do not have all the images and video related features. You are just going to upload your images and videos along with your documents and store them on different folders. As for Yandex images, Yandex offers only unlimited storage for photos, so if you want to upload your videos, you have to subscribe to one of their paid options. Next is Gmail, the market leader for email accounts. I don't think there is much to say because almost all of us knows Gmail and all of its features, but I would like to point out some of them which I really like and use. The first is Gmail add-ons. Gmail add-ons are different collaboration tools or apps that you can integrate with your Gmail and increase the efficiency and productivity of your work. You may consider using some add-ons that I'm going to discuss later. I'm going to have another video for these add-ons. Also, I'm going to have another different video about Gmail labels, which I am using, and they are really useful. You can do a lot with Gmail labels, and of course increase your efficiency and productivity. Next is Google Office tools, which include Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Forms. Google Office tools are useful for those who are mostly working online, and also for those who are mostly using and working on shared documents. But if you are mostly working offline and you like to have more features on your Office tools, you may consider other Office tools in the market, for example Microsoft. Microsoft has more features in its Office tools, and also has softwares that you can install on your laptops and be able to work offline, which now Google doesn't offer. Google Drive. It is part of Google Office tools. You can store your documents there and share with others. If you are using Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets, you may consider using Google Drive as well, because they belong to the same ecosystem and will work together better. But if you want to try other options, you can try Dropbox or OneDrive, which offer pretty much the same features. Google Contacts. Google Contacts store your contact details or all your phone numbers. They can be used cross-platform. You can even integrate your Google account with your Apple devices and have all your contact details across all your devices. Next are Google Keep and Google To Do apps. Google Keep is for making notes, and Google To Do is for setting reminders. They work very well with Gmail because they are integrated in your Gmail as add-ons, so you can simply take an email, drag and drop to your Google Keep as a note, and your Google To Do app as a reminder. Google Keep and Google Note have simple features, but if you like to have note-taking and reminder apps with more functionality, more advanced functionality, you can try Evernote or Bear, which have more advanced functionalities. I also want to inform you that Bear app is only available for Apple devices. And the last but not least in my list is Google Maps. Google Maps provides an accurate information about roads, about buildings, about cafes, about traffic, and a lot of more information that we need. It may be considered as a market leader, but there are also other apps that you can use. For example, Maps.me, which offers an offline version. So if you are not connected to internet for most of your day, you can try Maps.me as well. Apple also has its Maps app for its Apple devices, but it still cannot offer the same services as Google Maps does. That is why most of the Apple users still prefer using Google Maps. So that's it for today, guys. Hope I could provide you some useful information. Enjoy your life, stay productive, and subscribe to my channel.